start joining smoking and doing other activities. So yeah, that is also the thing happen here, and because of that, there is lot. Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are having a wonderful day today. So I've been in the community center. It is behind my house, and so yeah, I was totally searching for people who are playing cricket and just join them. So today I haven't got any of them, but yeah, I've been playing here since my childhood, and so I spent multiple days here playing gilli danda, as a lot of people play here in summers and winters as well. So when I was child, I basically used to come here and didn't do the homework, just play with my friends. So yeah, there is a lot of memories here. So and there is lot of things happen here, such as like uh, very lot of people who are teenagers, they start joining smoking and doing other activities. So yeah, that is also the thing happen here, and because of that, there is lot of people whose parents didn't like to to come here and just play, because that is how people get along with lot of friends, and they do some sort of things like that. So yeah, this is very a great place. As you see, there is a lot of activities you can do, and there are people who are playing cricket. I'll show you. And so yeah, there is a in previous past 5 to 10 years back, there is a lot of people, every place cricket, someone playing cricket. But nowadays there is some sort of legal thing is also happening here. So because of that, there is not very much of people are playing cricket, right? So cricket is something which you cannot know in India. If you don't know anything in cricket, so you cannot basically adjust yourself with the people. So you have to know about the cricket. So yeah, this was a great place for walking and doing some physical activities. And so I hope you you are going to be doing some sort of things, and which is physically make you strong, because that is also a thing which people need to work on. So on this note, I am completing this video. Bye bye, have a good day.